Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav Sarao and I'm a graduate of our esteemed organization FEA from its Maypalpur Center. Before I start my speech, I would like to thank Mr. Deepak Chopra who has given this opportunity to the disadvantaged youth to get professional skills free of cost from our centers. Now let's talk about me. Professionally I'm an engineer and currently in this year I have completed my Masters of Technology. And now I'm waiting and I'm searching for the job. And my father, he was a taxi driver, now he is retired, and my mother, she is a homemaker. And I like to read books, novels, some kind of like fictitious novels, scientific novels, and I like to sing songs. I like to listen English music as well. And my dream, I would like to perform in front of the crowd. And I hope one day I will perform in front of many people, but that will be in Hindi because mostly I sing in Hindi. Thank you. Now, I would like to tell something about the FEA. It has changed many things in my life. Earlier, I was not able to talk with the people. I was very introvert kind of a person. But when I joined FEA in the year 2015, I met with the Vijay Kain sir. He was my facilitator and he helped me a lot in learning the ways how to speak in English, how to talk in English, how to greet the people and how to use the polite phrases. He and the FEA, they both helped me to grow up from a normal person to a professional person. And after completing my graduation from the FEA, I joined FEA as a facilitator in the year 2015 as only. And then I worked in the Palam Center as a facilitator. I helped the people, I helped the students to grow up, to learn English, to I helped them how to write, how to study and how to listen carefully and how to understand the people. Later on, with the help of my ability to learn new things and to make this people teach, I got promoted as a music coach because as I was very fond of music, so when I got this opportunity I was very happy that now I will be a music coach and I will be giving the classes of the music. Later on, I started my journey as a music coach with FEA, with Freedom English Academy, and I had given many of the classes in many of the centers of the FEA. There I met with the different kind of students, some students who were very keen to study English. They used to come in the center daily. Some of the graduates were used to come there since the morning till the evening. They used to sit in the center. They used to say, "Sir, this is our home. We can spend our whole day here because we learn new things here." And while I was in the music coach team, later on, at the same time, I was pursuing my Masters of Technology. So a time came in between when I got pressure from my college, and at that time I had to leave my job, and that was my passion. But I left the FEA in the year 2016. I continued my study, but yes, nothing is the last of your life. So that was the start of my study again, and I achieved good marks. First division in my Masters. This year I completed with the 73%, and now I'm again thinking to rejoin my passion, that is teach the people and to give the knowledge of the English. And I hope I will be working with the FEA again. At the last, I would say only one thing. Whenever you are doing something, give your 100%. Do not think that will you get a fruitful result or not. Just focus on one point, give the time, give your all kind of efforts. And thank you, Mr. Deepak Chopra sir, at the last, because you gave us a beautiful place to build ourselves professionally skillful. Thanks a lot.